Whew. So I just finished fishing and I stumbled upon this little spillway. I have always seen many little fish in here, but I've never actually fished it. If this video gets 2 likes, I'll spend a whole afternoon out here and film a YouTube video fishing that puddle. Well, that video ended up getting 25,000 likes. I think that's a little bit more than 2. Zach Pierce says, "Welp, looks like you'll be spending a couple years there." Thunder Kyle says, "Fish the puddle, bro." Malad74 says, "Well, that sounds like a blast. Oh joy, I can't wait." Well, the people have spoken. First, let's go get some bait. Let's go ahead and flip some bricks. Aha, that's one. One. 2. Aha. Quiet down, quiet down. Hey, shh. I'm trying to film a video. Ugh. Alright, here, take this little piece of that. Ow, ow. Pop him in there. Rigging up this ultralight with the smallest hook I can find in my tackle box. I think this is about the smallest I can go. And lastly, a bobber. Bobber's on. I really hope this works. Well, I'm pretty sure it's safe to say this is about as puddly as a mud puddle can get. I'm not really seeing that much activity. I did see a turtle. I'm not trying to catch that. But, you know, with the sun all the way up there, so high up, these guys are just gonna be hidden in all that grass. So I think the live worms are just gonna do the trick. While I'm getting set up, I know a bunch of you guys are probably new to the channel. So first of all, hello. My name is Ryan, otherwise known as Fisheryin. I don't typically do this kind of fishing, but a lot of you guys wanted to see it, so I'm just gonna give it a shot. If there's one way you can help out the channel, it's just hit that subscribe button. Help me reach 10K by the end of this year. That's the goal, but enough talking. You guys didn't come here to see me talk about the channel. You guys want to see me pull out some fish. Okay, and all we need is a little bit of it. We don't need the whole thing. Oh, nope, one's trying to escape. Thread it on our hook. Let's sneak up on it. And I think I'm just gonna drop it right there. Where did all the fish go? Well, do we just wait or try and cast right here? Watch me catch a turtle. That'd be, oh, I got bit. No way. Okay. There are fish here. We're good. Let's sit down and wait for this. Oh, he's so small. But it's a fish, and he's definitely eating it. How cool is this? No way. I got like 3-pound test mono on here. Should I just go and catch some fish at that pond right there, put them in here, and then pretend like I caught fish in here? No, that's not the right way to do it. So if this puddle ends up being a big flop, the good news is there's actually 2 more I can fish, and they're about the same size. Maybe one's even smaller. I think that's still kind of, you know, sticking to the plan of fishing a puddle. So it wouldn't be a total shift of plans. All right, I'm not feeling this spot. Let's go to mud puddle number 2. To be honest, this last spot looks the most promising. Water is clear, it's deep. I know that there are bluegill in here, so I'm excited. Let's see what we can do. After today, I think this is the last time I'm gonna make a video like this. This is way harder than catching big bass. You guys get my point. It's just, what is, oh, okay, that got taken instantly. Wow, as soon as I put it into that shade, there are bluegill in here. Okay, that makes me a lot more confident now. Where is the worms? Don't tell me I left them. There's no way I would leave the worms. There's 100% a way I would leave them. Oh, man. All right. Time to sprint my way back. I'll be with you guys shortly. How could I forget the most important thing? Whew, here it is. Sorry, you guys are literally baking in the sun. Whew. I used to run cross country, but I don't think I have that much of the stamina left. Whew. I'm so out of shape. Okay, worms. Oh, wow, they're all dead. Great. That's not what we want. There's one. Oh, no. That was actually a big one. Come on out here. No. He keeps grabbing it and then just not getting hooked all the way. Got one. Yes! No way! Y'all, this is such a cool species. Let's go. Anyone know what this is called? Well, that's what I ended up catching. Thanks so much for biting. See you later. Catch you later. How cool is that? Oh, that just feels so accomplishing. I'm under a very hot sun right now, and to be able to catch a fish after trying several spots, there's no other feeling like this. Oh, yes. No. That was a really big fish. That was a really nice fish, guys. Oh, there he, oh, no, he got off. That's wild. Whatever this fish is, he's hungry. And he just keeps, I got him. Yes. Right there is our second species. Pretty cool. Let me know what this thing is called down in the comments below. Go call your friends. Let me catch him. That's what gets me hype. Whew, let's go. Worm's still on there. I can still catch something on this. Whew, it is hot. I'm so glad I finally knocked out this challenge because I was kind of hesitant at first. But, you know, today I just decided, you know what? Let's just get it over with. I'm actually very happy with the 2 catches I had today. Both of them were not normal bluegill. They seemed to be maybe a hybrid-ish. I'm not too sure, but they were both different species. Both had large enough mouths to engulf my hook. Maybe sometime I'll have to head back here, but for now, I'm gonna go home, get this video edited and pushed out to you guys as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and as always, folks, fish for the adventure.